Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're headed to Kroger's. Come on out and shop with me. For a moment, you guys, I want to take you out the kitchen. I don't know. You got to get a gift card?
Why didn't you hear me say I was gonna get together to gift card?
So we are here. We at Kroger's, you guys. We're gonna go in here and get some I don't know. I want some fruit or something.
Things.
I don't know. So let's see. What is it? $15. Y'all see that? Well, that's a reasonable price, but let's go over here because this is what I mainly want. Get some fruit. I think I want some watermelon. Let's see. McDonald's for 6. I can't be doing no donuts though. $5 asparagus. Wait a minute. Hold up. What is this? Asparagus? Okay, mushrooms. Guac, okay. Y'all guys see that guac. But anywho, I'm taking my babies. Let's go. Let's go. We get our bananas. I like to make sure I got me a banana a day. You guys, I really do. Let me go put this in a basket. I haven't had some grapes in so long. Y'all, what is this? I never heard of that. It looks like an orange. Is that an orange? I don't know. Okay. Okay, so that's the name of them. I was looking from the back. So that's Samoy. Well, what is this name, Kiki? I never heard of this fruit. Is this pretty much like an orange? Is that mandarin? $1 each. I've never heard of that fruit. Is that the guac? Or whatever. You make guac with. Okay. Let's go. So I'm headed over here to the shrimp. You guys tell me, do you buy your shrimp from Kroger's? Because I want some jumbo size shrimp. Eat What You had me looking. This look like the largest that they come. I don't know. These butterfly, I don't know. I don't like butterfly. So these shrimp skewers is $10. Nah. It's been a minute since I saw a lobster tail, but 2 for 6. I mean 2 for 12. I don't know, is that worth it? So fam, I have been looking for me a corned beef at a reasonable price because you know my family is not that big, right? I don't know. I'm looking at these 2 corned beefs. And this one is $15. I don't know. What you guys think? I don't know. For $16, but they could come lower, $11. Okay, so I did see where $11. Let's see. I did look at one for $7. What did I do with it though? Oh, here go one. Oh, they need to stop. But then that one could be an actual sandwich by itself though. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these 2. Right there. So guys, if you like this video, comment, share this video with everyone, and don't forget to hit the bell. Also, like this video. You guys, I am trying to give you something different to look forward to. You know? Yeah, something to look forward to. So I'm gonna get my coffee up here if I can reach. Now this is a good brand of coffee, you guys. When I tell you, I'll be happy when I'm out of coffee and we're going to Kroger's and I get this. This is a weight loss coffee, you guys. You drink this with a little lemon juice and I promise you, you will lose the pounds. I came from 3-something and weight all the way down. Y'all, this camera might not be aimed right, but float with me. Okay.
What you doing?
So guys, this will complete my video. I'm finna get ready to pay for myself. Yes, pay for myself. And I'm finna get out of here. Because the more I see, the more I grab. And that's not the intention. And that's not good, you guys. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.